Hi. Today I wanted to have a word about the pie bird because there are a lot of people who don't know what they are. I didn't know what they were until I lived in Pennsylvania and I visited friends and people in the community and antique stores, and I had a friend who had one on her shelf, and I liked birds, so I admired her bird decoration, and she said, "Oh, that's a pie bird." And I said, "What's a pie bird?" And she explained it to me. And the pie bird is as I mentioned in one of my videos, it's a very old cooking instrument, and it's been around since the Victorian times. It's very, very old, and they were very popular, I know, with Swedish people and other countries, around the Netherlands, and they've been used for years for baking pies. And what they do is you actually push the bird, or whatever shape it is, down into the pie crust, and it acts as a vent. That's the other word for it, is pie vent. And it's supposed to prevent the pie filling from boiling over the sides and making a mess. It'll just make a puddle in the center of the pie. And they can also be, a smaller one could be pushed all the way down into the pie, so only the head is coming out of the top, like this one, and that would be used as a pie support. I'll show you a picture of what that would look like. Show you on my computer. This is a pie bird being used as a vent and probably a crust support too. And if you have an old one, some people do have old ones around that their grandmothers or mothers had, and if you have a very old one, you're not going to want to use it because not only of the danger of it cracking, but also because they could contain lead paint or other dangerous chemicals in the paint that you certainly wouldn't want in your food. But not only are there old ones available, there are also some new ones available. There's a lady on eBay that makes this pretty little yellow one, and she does some other colors too. And if you look up pie bird or pie vents, then you'll see her listed, and she has a little hole at the top in her bird and one at the side here, and another on the other side. She doesn't have a hole at the top because she probably realized that a lot of people would want to use these for decorations. I use some for decorations in Christmas displays, as I showed in my home video. And then also this little bird I use in a spring display, which I'll show when I do a spring decoration video. And there's something that I like so much, I even started painting a primitive picture. I'm still working on this one. There are some touch-ups that I'd like to make to it, but that's a picture of a pie bird on a wood block. And I'm going to get another wood block and make another one in a different color so that I'll have two. So that is all I think I know about the pie bird. If you have heard of pie birds and you know more information about it, I'd like to see it in the comments. Thank you for watching today.